Welcome to Blockchain Vein, the home of hacking, crypto, coding, and blockchain technology. Go ahead and like and subscribe. In our digital age, the quest for privacy and security is never ending. The World Wide Web, this vast digital expanse, is a double-edged sword. On one hand, it offers us a wealth of information at our fingertips. On the other, it leaves us exposed, our actions traceable, our privacy vulnerable. But what if there was a way to navigate this digital landscape invisibly, leaving no footprints? This is where Tails, Whonix, and anonymous proxy chains come in. But what if you could go online leaving no trace behind? Enter the world of Tails, Whonix, and anonymous proxy chains. Before we explore the solutions, let's understand the problem. The internet, as expansive and liberating as it is, comes with its own set of challenges. Each time you browse, search, or download something, you leave a digital footprint. These footprints can be tracked, logged, and traced back to you by a variety of entities. Internet service providers, or ISPs, can see every website you visit. Governments can monitor your online activity, often in the name of national security. And let's not forget the ever-present threat of malicious actors who can exploit your data for their own nefarious purposes. This constant surveillance can feel like an invasion of privacy. But what if you could go online and leave no trace? This is where online anonymity tools come into play. These tools like Tails, Whonix, and anonymous proxy chains are designed to shield your identity and activities. Online anonymity tools aim to shield your identity and activities from prying eyes. Tails, short for the Amnesic Incognito Live System, is a portable operating system designed to be used from a USB stick or a DVD. It's a powerful tool for those who value their online privacy. Imagine being able to carry your operating system in your pocket, plug it into any computer, and browse with peace of mind, knowing that your activities are cloaked in anonymity. That's Tails for you. Tails is more than just an operating system. It's a carefully crafted set of tools with one goal in mind: to protect your privacy. It does this by routing all your internet traffic through the Tor network. Tor, which stands for the Onion Router, is a system that hides your identity by bouncing your internet connection across several servers around the world, making it incredibly difficult for anyone to track you. But Tails takes it a step further. It's designed to be amnesic. This means that once you're done browsing and you shut down Tails, it forgets everything. Your activities, your downloads, your browsing history, all gone. It's like you were never there. This feature is particularly useful for journalists, activists, or anyone who needs to keep their online activities confidential. But the features of Tails don't stop there. It also comes packed with a suite of encryption tools. These tools allow you to encrypt your files, emails, and instant messaging, adding another layer of security to your online activities. With Tails, not only are your activities hidden, but your data is also secure. Tails is an incredible tool for anyone who values their online privacy. It's a testament to the ingenuity of open-source communities who have come together to create a tool that protects users in an age where our online activities are constantly being monitored. Apart from using Tor, Tails is amnesic, meaning it forgets all your activities once you shut it down. It also comes packed with encryption tools to secure your files, emails, and instant messaging. Whonix takes a different approach. It operates on the principle of isolation. Instead of a singular entity, Whonix functions as two separate virtual machines on the same host operating system. One VM, known as the gateway, runs Tor and acts as a middleman for all internet connections. The other VM, referred to as the workstation, is on an isolated network and is used for all your browsing and computing activities. This unique two-pronged setup provides an added layer of security. By isolating the Tor gateway from your actual browsing activities, Whonix ensures that even if your browsing VM is compromised, the attacker can't bypass Tor or discover your real IP address. This setup also eliminates DNS leaks, a common issue with many other privacy tools. But what makes Whonix truly stand out is its versatility. Unlike Tails, which is an amnesic system, Whonix is designed to be persistent. You can install a variety of applications on it, from everyday tools like office suites and email clients to more specialized software. It's like having your regular workstation, but with a strong privacy shield. Whonix also offers powerful protection against many types of malware. Since the workstation doesn't know anything about the host system or the real network hardware, even if it's compromised, the malware will find it much harder to break out of the workstation and harm your actual computer. In a nutshell, Whonix offers a robust defense against many forms of online surveillance and attacks, thanks to its unique design. It's not just about routing your traffic through Tor. It's about isolating potential threats and ensuring they can't reach your real system or uncover your true identity. Whonix is compatible with your existing workstation, allowing secure use of regular and complex applications alike. Its isolation protects against a range of internet threats. Anonymous proxy chains, like those provided by tools such as proxy chains, add another layer of security. But how do they do that? They operate by routing your internet traffic through a series of proxy servers. This isn't just one or two hops, but often involves multiple servers scattered across the globe. Think of it like this. You're playing a wild game of digital hide and seek. Instead of hiding behind a single tree, or in this case, a single server, you're darting between multiple hiding spots, making it harder for anyone who might be it to find you. That's the essence of how a proxy chain works. Each server in the chain only knows about the server before it and the one after it. The first server knows your real IP address, but not your final destination on the web. The last server knows your final destination, but not your real IP. The servers in the middle, they're just passing packets along, oblivious to your origin or destination. The real beauty of this system is that even if one server is compromised, your identity remains secure. A compromised server can only reveal the immediate servers before and after it in the chain, not the entire path or your original IP. Now, no system is perfect. Proxy chains can slow down your browsing speed due to the increased number of hops your data has to make. And not all proxy servers are trustworthy. Some may log your data or be run by malicious entities. Therefore, it's crucial to choose a reliable proxy chain provider and understand the risks involved. In summary, anonymous proxy chains offer an added layer of protection, making it exponentially more difficult for anyone to trace your online activities back to you. They are a valuable tool in the arsenal of those seeking to protect their online privacy and security. As always, remember that the best defense is a multi-layered approach, combining different tools and practices to safeguard your digital life. This makes tracing your online activities back to you exponentially more difficult. It's clear that tools like Tails, Whonix, and anonymous proxy chains each have their unique advantages in the quest for online anonymity. Tails offers a portable solution, leaving no trace behind and routing your internet traffic through Tor. It's amnesic, forgets your activities once shut down, and provides encryption tools for added security. On the other hand, Whonix operates on the principle of isolation. Its two virtual machine design ensures no DNS leaks and that malware can't bypass Tor easily. It's compatible with various applications and provides safety against a range of internet threats. Lastly, anonymous proxy chains add another layer of security by routing your internet traffic through multiple servers, making it significantly harder to trace your activities. Remember, no tool is perfect, but used wisely, they can significantly enhance your online privacy and security.